Ever found yourself needing to move some funds from your Uphold account but weren't quite sure about the daily limits? You're not alone. It's a common question for Uphold users, whether you're cashing out crypto gains, accessing fiat currency, or simply managing your digital assets. Understanding these withdrawal limits is crucial for smooth financial planning and avoiding any unexpected hiccups. Uphold, as a versatile platform for trading and holding various assets like cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and even precious metals, has put in place certain measures to ensure the security and integrity of its system, as well as to comply with regulatory requirements. These measures often include limitations on the amount you can withdraw within a specific time frame, typically on a daily basis. Now, the million-dollar question: how much can you actually withdraw from Uphold per day? Well, the answer isn't a simple, one-size-fits-all number. The daily withdrawal limit on Uphold can vary depending on several factors. Let's break down some of the key elements that influence how much you can move out of your account each day. One of the primary determinants of your withdrawal limit is your account verification level. Uphold employs a tiered verification system, often requiring increasing levels of personal information and documentation as you move up the tiers. Generally, users with higher verification levels tend to have higher withdrawal limits. This is a standard practice in the financial industry to mitigate risks associated with fraud and illicit activities. So, if you find your current limit restrictive, it might be worth checking your verification status and completing any outstanding steps. Another significant factor is the type of asset you're trying to withdraw. Withdrawal limits can differ between cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. For instance, the daily limit for Bitcoin withdrawals might be different from the limit for withdrawing US dollars to your bank account. This variation often reflects the inherent volatility and regulatory landscape surrounding different asset classes. Furthermore, the withdrawal method you choose can also impact the daily limit. Withdrawing to a bank account might have a different limit compared to withdrawing to an external cryptocurrency wallet. These differences can arise due to the processing times, security protocols, and associated fees of each method. It's also important to be aware that Uphold's withdrawal policies and limits are subject to change. These changes can occur due to evolving regulatory requirements, internal risk assessments, or platform updates. Therefore, the most reliable way to know your current daily withdrawal limit is to directly check your Uphold account. Typically, this information can be found in the withdrawal or limits section of your account settings or during the withdrawal process itself. Uphold usually displays the maximum allowable withdrawal amount before you finalize the transaction. While there isn't a single answer to the question of how much you can withdraw from Uphold per day, it's crucial to understand that your verification level, the type of asset you're withdrawing, and the chosen withdrawal method all play a significant role. Always refer to your Uphold account for the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding your specific withdrawal limits. This proactive approach will help you manage your funds effectively and avoid any unexpected limitations when you need to make a withdrawal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.